HTTP and HTTPS. So what is the difference? Absolutely, the answer is S. Now let me tell you the scenario. Here Helen is there. Now she is accessing a website called HTTP and some website name. She is giving the password. Now the hacker is very happy because the password is going in plain text. There is no encryption. Here Carol is smart. She is using HTTPS website and now she is sending the password, and the password, this S, HTTPS, S is for Secured Socket Layer, and TLS, that is also called as TLS, Transport Layer Security. So with this encryption, the hacker sees something else, which is not easy to break. For example, 1, 2, 3 you are sending, you will not send 1, 2, 3, you are going to send ABC. So this ABC, when it goes and received by the destination machine, that will again be changed to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So HTTP, the protocol is a Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the full form. And these two protocols both work on or for web. That is for HTML. HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol again with security. SSL, so Secure Socket Layer, and TLS, Transport Layer Security. So the HTTP, as I said, it has security. The data in HTTP is vulnerable to hackers because it doesn't have S. It doesn't have that handshaking. There is not an encryption happening. In HTTPS, it is designed to be secure with the implementation of SSL certificate. There is a proper way of sending and receiving. HTTP, the port by default HTTP uses is port number 80. And as I said, the 021.023 port, these are already being fixed. The port 80 is always used by HTTP, HTTPS. HTTPS is using 443. What is the use? The HTTP protocol, as I said, both of the protocol are working for web. When you open Chrome and you write website name, the web pages will come, and that is done by HTTP. So HTTP protocol is suitable for blogs and all different consumption of information when the data is not very critical or not very important. Just information has to be given. HTTP is good, because I'll tell you why HTTP can be used sometime. But right now, if you type on your web browser, it will always go to HTTPS. HTTPS, any website that collect the personal information, critical information, say, the information of credit card, your personal information, you need to use, or the website should be an HTTPS website. There is one more important thing is scrambling. See, when you make egg, sometimes you make a scrambled egg. So if you see 1, 2, 3 packet is going, the scrambling is that it can be scrambled. Sometimes 1 to 3 can be sent as 3 to 1. So HTTP scrambling is not there. In HTTPS, data is scrambled before transmission and de-scrambled at the receiver end. So the scrambling of data does not occur in HTTP. The reason why it is highly insecure. HTTP, let us say that we don't go to a TCP/IP or ISO/OSI layer. We just say that HTTP and HTTPS, they both work on the application layer, either be the TCP/IP protocol suite or the ISO/OSI. But HTTPS has TLS and SSL, that is the transport layer security and the secured socket layer. The Google search, HTTP will not affect the ranking. HTTPS, it will improve the search ranking. Why you are using HTTP sometime? That it is faster. Because in HTTPS, you have to make the handshaking, then the proper connection is established, and then the public key is given, then the public key and the password or the content is mixed, then it goes and they use the server open it with the private key. So there is a whole procedure going on. The domain name validation, HTTP, no requirement of SSL certificate because it is not using anyways. In HTTPS, SSL certification is a must. This is required. Data encryption, because SSL is all about data encryption. HTTPS, the data is encrypted as Carol has encrypted her data. HTTP data is not encrypted. That is why the HTTP is vulnerable to attacks, while the HTTPS is secure by design. It is not possible to easily break it. Okay.